Right, everyone, today I'm going to try to do anyways a factory reset on this DCC decoder. So let's get to work on that. So I'm reading my manual and it's telling me number 7 recovery program. I think that's the good thing to do for this, the equivalent of a factory reset. So I'm going to try that. This will allow me to set all the values that were programmed at the factory. There's also a nice chart at the back allowing me to follow what I'm doing a little bit better. I'm going to try to have you see what I'm doing at the same time that I'm doing it. So I'm going to go to Program, and I'm going to try to program on Use Program Track. So just press Enter. And then I can choose Standard, CV, or Reg. I need number 7. Number 7 is the factory reset or recovery program. And then I press 1 for yes. So now it's working. You can see the cab's working too. Okay, so this is good now. I'm going to continue with escape till I get back to the regular throttle. So still I'm giving it throttle and it's moving. Actually, that's wonderful. Probably would work better if I put it on the track like that. Yeah, headlight. And it's moving. Wonderful. Gee, life is good. That was good advice to try that. Direction, headlight. Oh, that's a tremendous win. This is a NCE decoder that's in there. And NCE, they have something called the lighting effects. I'm going to try to play with that a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to try to change the address on this. So I press Program, and then again until I get to the program track, and then Enter, and then 1 for standard programming. That's cool. That's cool. Set up address 1. Short address is good. Yes. Set up long address. I'm going to be using the cab number 3005. So I'm going to type in that 3005 and then enter. Activate this address, yes. I really don't know what that is, so I'm going to press enter. I don't really want to set up the motor control and neither of these things. So then I can go back to just actually this is where I get to set up my NCE effects. So that the NCE effects are number 6. I'm just going to look in my manual till I get to number 6. NCE setup lighting effects option 6. So I'm going to type on the 6. Output number, the 1 is for front. So I'm going to type in 1. And then I use the thumb wheel to select the option that I want. So I want it to dim in reverse. forward, and it's an LED. And I'm going to do the same thing for the back one. Number 2, use the thumb wheel. Dim in reverse. Enter. So that's the reverse one. And then it's an LED. And then I should be good. Let's see if it works. Let's try the lights on. So it's on for forward. And then let's see for reverse. So I turned it off, turn it back on. Works the same as before. So I'm going to play with it. I'm going to see if I'm doing anything wrong. For sure I need more practice on this, but I managed to get the headlight to dim when I hit function 4. So that's kind of cool. And then turn the headlight off, reverse direction, and I get the same thing from the front. Here, I'll refocus this for you so I can dim it when I hit function 4. So this is something new for me, which is kind of fun. And now it's time to run some trains. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.